Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can make a AI image to video, how you can make a video using your image through AI on the Vidnoz AI website. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to do a simple step that we have to create our account on the Vidnoz, and then simply we have to scroll down. We have to go to the AI tools option. So let's click on the AI tools option, and then we have to scroll down again. In the second row, you will get this first option. We have to click on this option, which is called AI image to video. So I'm going to click on this, and after clicking on this, as you can see, simply we have to upload our image. For example, I'm going to click on the upload image, and now we have to choose the image. For example, I'm going to choose a random image. You have to choose the perfect one. I'm going to click on the upload. As you can see, now the image is uploaded. Simply we have to click on the generate video, and after clicking on the generate video, it will take few seconds. And after that it will generate your video. It's up to your internet speech and device configuration, so we have to wait for few seconds until it's done. So in this way you can make your video on the Windows AI website. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do that. So see you in the next video.